Oh.
That's the only guy. That's the only guy right there.
There you go.
No, we're not going to close the door right now, okay?
This isn't near too mud, sand, snow. It's been there.
I bet.
If you press those, would it work?
No, the horn won't work.
Jasper, can you wave to Daddy?
The pedals were working. It's out of air right now. I got to charge it. No, it won't work. It works on air brake.
Air brake. I know an air brake. Look, he's driving it. He's driving it.
I've done. There's some other kids want to get on.
That's a big car. Yeah, Daddy, you want to try?
He likes this. Good job, buddy.
Want more?
We had one in the firehouse.
Okay. Careful. Careful. There you go. Yay, say thank you. No, don't.
We gotta leave the door open, buddy.
Leave the door open. He wants to close the door on all of them.
We're not closing the door, buddy. Just sit in the seat.
Drive the wheel.
Can you drive the wheel?
Keep that one strapped open because that door weighs like 500 pounds.
Oh my goodness, look at that. I just noticed. Good grief.
It's come down on my knee before.
Ow.
Good grief. All right, buddy, let's get some other kids a turn. Come on out. Come on. Be careful. Whoa, watch your legs. Say thank you. Good job. Yeah, look at these big tires, Jasper. Are they big? The big wheel.
Jasper, look at these big wheels.
Just some big wheels. Big tires. How many tires are on it? Can you count them?
How about
Come here, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's counting the tires. He got up to 13. He kept counting. Come here, bud. Jasper, come here. No, buddy. Come here. You already got in this one, bud. He's getting confused because we went around. Yeah.
Let's change this diaper again.
Okay.